The Volocopter Volo XP Pro feels like a futuristic machine taken straight from a sci-fi movie. This fully electric multicopter is designed for real urban transportation and uses 18 powerful rotors combined with a lightweight frame for quiet and efficient flight. Unlike traditional helicopters, it relies on advanced electric eVTOL technology and fly-by-wire systems to create a smoother and safer flying experience. The aircraft can carry 2 passengers, travel at speeds of around 70 km per hour, and fly nearly 40 km on a single charge. Its modular platform also allows different versions of the aircraft for tourism, training, and future air taxi services. The GAC Air Cab is a futuristic electric flying taxi designed to improve transportation inside crowded cities. Developed by GAC Group's Air Mobility Division, this 2-seat eVTOL combines lightweight engineering, quiet electric propulsion, and smart autonomous-style technology. Its carbon fiber composite body improves both strength and flight efficiency while reducing overall weight. The aircraft supports vertical takeoff and landing, allowing it to operate in small urban spaces without runways. It also features intelligent obstacle avoidance systems and fast-charging battery technology capable of recharging in about 25 minutes. The Velociter X1 represents a major step toward practical personal air mobility. Developed as a single-seat electric VTOL aircraft, it uses 8 electric motors mounted across 4 arms to provide stable vertical takeoff and landing. The aircraft includes beginner-friendly controls inspired by motorcycles, making it easier for new pilots to learn. Safety features include GPS-assisted hovering, LiDAR obstacle detection, automatic stabilization systems, and even a ballistic parachute for emergencies. According to company information, the X1 can reach speeds near 70 miles per hour with about 45 minutes of flight time. The CoolFly electric VTOL combines the concept of a hoverboard, scooter, and aircraft into one futuristic transportation system. Instead of sitting inside a cockpit, the rider stands upright and controls the vehicle through body movement and gravity sensing technology. The aircraft uses AI-assisted obstacle avoidance and dual redundant flight systems for improved safety. Built for short-distance urban travel, it weighs around 110 kilograms and can reach speeds close to 100 kilometers per hour. Its unusual design makes it one of the boldest personal flying concepts currently under development. The Gen 3 Copter Pack transforms the dream of wearable aviation into a real flying machine. Designed like a backpack helicopter, the aircraft is worn directly on the pilot's back while dual side-mounted rotors generate lift and maneuverability. Its carbon fiber honeycomb frame keeps the structure lightweight while maintaining strength and durability. The system reportedly supports payloads up to 120 kilograms and can reach speeds near 200 kilometers per hour. Advanced stabilization systems and a self-leveling autopilot also help improve flight safety and control. The Leo Jet bike blends motorcycle-inspired styling with electric aviation technology to create a futuristic personal air vehicle. Instead of exposed rotors, it uses a duct electric jet propulsion system that improves safety and flight control. The aircraft is built for short-range recreational travel and low-altitude flight. It can reportedly reach speeds around 60 miles per hour while providing about 10 to 15 minutes of flight time per charge. Compact enough for home storage and charging, it reflects the growing push toward personal flying transportation under ultralight aviation rules. The Jetson 1 is one of the most advanced personal eVTOL aircraft currently being developed. Built using lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, the aircraft uses 8 electric motors and propellers for stable vertical flight. It is designed for recreational flying and personal transportation, reaching speeds around 102 kilometers per hour with approximately 20 minutes of flight time. Pilots control the aircraft using a simple single-hand joystick system, making it beginner-friendly. Additional safety features include redundant propulsion systems, emergency hover mode, auto-landing support, and a ballistic parachute. The Diamond DA62 is a luxury twin-engine aircraft that combines efficiency, performance, and modern aviation technology. Designed for private and business travel, The aircraft can carry up to 7 passengers and travel nearly 1,288 nautical miles on a single journey. It features a spacious SUV-style cabin, premium interior design, gull-wing doors and advanced Garmin avionics systems. Powered by twin jet fuel engines, the DA62 is known for impressive fuel efficiency, reliability, and smooth long-distance performance. The Doroni H-1X is a next-generation personal eVTOL aircraft designed for urban and suburban transportation. Featuring multiple duct fans integrated into its wings, the aircraft supports vertical takeoff, hovering, and smooth forward flight. The futuristic cockpit includes joystick controls, semi-autonomous assistance, and a panoramic canopy. Designed for 2 passengers, the H-1X can reportedly reach speeds around 120 miles per hour and travel up to 100 miles with about 45 minutes of flight time per charge. The LEO Coupe is a futuristic electric jet-powered flying car concept that merges sports car styling with advanced eVTOL aviation technology. Instead of traditional propellers, it uses distributed electric jet propulsion for smoother flight and better stability. Designed for 2 passengers, the aircraft aims for speeds near 200 miles per hour and ranges up to 250 miles per charge. Semi-autonomous flight assistance and fly-by-wire systems are also included to simplify operation.